Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to show you what I got from IMethod Beauty. So I've already received a blush from them, free for review, and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's the cream blush, which I like, the stick ones. And it is really working out great for me. So they approached me and wanted to know if I wanted to test anything else. Now, I don't do anything with my eyebrows. I barely even brush them, like nothing. So I used to get them waxed and cleaned up, but as I get older, it started to kind of disappear, you know, some of my eyebrows. So I tend to shy away from now really doing anything with them. So I said, sure, I'll try your eyebrow product. Now, to save time, it does come all packaged nicely in a little bag like this. But to save time, I went ahead and I picked out the stencil. Okay, so they come with a lot of stencils and you're supposed to find the one that works best for you. I don't know if this is the one that's going to work best for me, but it is definitely as close as I could get, I think. We'll see. I mean, I've never tried a product such as this, so let's see how it goes. I'm just going to do it right here. It comes with a brush and then, well, the stamper. This is the stamper, and this is just a brush to brush them out. As some of you may know, I do have contacts in, so I can see far away, but I can't see up close. So this might be a bit of a challenge for me because I need glasses in order to see up close. Just the way it is. So we are just going to deal with it. I hope, I think the little dog's over there, I don't want to say her name, but she's over there getting into something else. So hopefully she'll just leave us be for a minute. Let's see here. Let me see if I can get this lined up on my eyebrow the right way. I can't barely see, you guys. This is something I would have to do before I put my contacts in. So maybe my daughter can come. Nicole?
What?
Can you come here for just a second? I'm going to have my daughter see if she can just line it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. But you see how the stencil is lined up?
Yeah.
It's the eyebrow kind of the same shape.
Yeah.
Can you like get it kind of in the same shape? And then let me know and then I'll grab it. It doesn't have to be perfect.
It's not going to be perfect right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay, so right here, this is how we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna stick this.
Uh-oh.
My daughter's already saying, uh-oh, in here. Now, I don't like dark black eyebrows, you guys, but we'll see how this works. Maybe if I don't use too much, it won't be really black. I don't know. And then it says just to tap. And everyone out there watching this, I really can't tell if anything's even coming off of this because I don't have my glasses on. So let me go ahead. I'll put a little more product on here, which is probably a mistake because it's probably like totally black. I have no idea. But I'm going to go ahead and press down a little harder. And I'm going to... I mean, you guys get the idea of what this is supposed to do. So let me go ahead and take it off. Nicole, how does it look, honey? In comparison to my other eye. Does it look like it worked?
Not much.
Not much, but a little bit?
Not much.
So I must have like missed the whole thing.
Yeah.
Can you put it on again? We're going to try this again because I want to do good for IMethod Beauty because they sent this to me.
It's not really... It's not
okay, so
really...
the stencil's probably not the best stencil that I could have chosen for my shape of eyebrows. I guess is what Nicole is kind of saying.
No, it's not the correct, not the correct shape.
It's just not the correct shape.
Yeah.
So I thought I would save time and just find the correct shape before I started this video. It was kind of the closest thing I could see. So I'm gonna go ahead and just play with this a little bit more. You guys, I don't have my glasses on. I really can't even see if I'm stamping the actual eyebrow or if I'm just like stamping the stencil part. Anyway, so as you can see, I definitely stamped the stencil part, but I don't know. Hopefully, do you see anything different now? I guess I could put my glasses on now and see if I see anything. I mean, whether it looks bad or good, it's just, do you see a difference?
Yes, I can see a difference, and it looks good.
Oh.
It looks not a lot, but it looks good.
Thank you. Okay, so I finally did it right, you guys, I think. Let me go ahead and put my glasses on so I can actually see. This is the little thing that I'm using. I don't know if I showed you. Opened it up, and I'm not even centered on this anymore. I don't know what happened. Let me see. What did Brooklyn get? Nope. I had to get up really quick because when I was showing you this, I accidentally dropped the lid, and of course my little thief down there had to run and grab it as fast as she could. I feel like I'm always a race against time. Okay, now I forgot this part, so go ahead and just brush it. I saw a lady that I was watching, and she brushes her eyebrows up. I don't know. I still kind of like them kind of brushed to the side here. I don't know if it's a new style or if it's just, you know, the way she likes it, but I still like to brush them over. Let me see. See, you know, I can't really see with my glasses on. Isn't that bad? I need to, next time I get these contacts, I'm definitely going to ask for like a bifocal type to where I can read up close and see far away. I don't exactly know why this happened with my contacts, but that's a whole nother video that I'm not going to do. But this is for IMethod Beauty. This is the eyebrow in seconds. And my daughter says it really did make a difference, so that's good. So if I'm going to do any more videos today, I better do the other eye. So everyone, thank you very much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. I'll leave the information to IMethod down in the description box along with the cost of this. And I believe I do have a discount code that I will also leave in my description box for you. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.